Hi guys. So during this time of isolation, self-isolation and social distancing, we're not going to be going to the store too much. I had the foresight, thankfully, to buy the kids some things when I found them on sale at the discount grocery store, at Dollar General, at Dollar Tree, at Goodwill. So I was able to get some things beforehand, before everybody was on lockdown. And we most likely will not be going to the store to get any Easter items. So my mom had brought over these. She's got one each for the kids. And I'm just going to take and make their baskets. I also don't have any grass, so we decided to make some grass out of some old paper that the kids had already drawn on, some construction paper, and we decided to just use this up. Some of the paper was new, but it's okay. It's going to be reused and recycled. So I'm going to show you what I got the kids this year for Easter. It's a lot different because this is our second Easter here. It was our first Easter when we had just gotten here, and we went to a big event at church, and I don't think we're going to be going to any events this year. So it's going to be strictly at home, and I'm going to come up with some more things for the kids to do while we're at home and when they search for their Easter eggs and things. So I'm just going to put these together. This is like a metal tin to use every year, and we'll probably use these every year too. That's probably too much. Get some here. Okay, so this is the last of the grass. Now, the kids made a little bit of this grass, but I did have to cut most of it. But it's okay. It's very tiring to cut grass, and I don't have a paper shredder. That would have been even quicker, but it's okay. So these are their things that I got them. I got this. It was $1 because it was buy one. It was $1.98, but it was half off because it was a red sticker. And this is going to be super fun for Raphael to play with. And I got this at the Dollar Tree. This is a Barbie doll that looked most like Abigail. It has long brown hair. So we got that. We got a Wonder Ball with prizes inside. I got this at the discount grocery store. I got one each of these. This is a hollow bunny, I believe, and some milk eggs. I'm going to tear this down and stuff them in there, not leave them in the bag, so they can take them out one at a time and not the whole bag. I got each one of them a mask, and this is from the discount grocery store. These were 59 cents a piece. Kid size masks, so this will be cute for them. Oh. I got my husband something. It's another one for the kids. And at the discount grocery store, they did have these. These were $1, mini monsters, and you can decorate your eggs with monsters, but I don't think we're gonna go get eggs. We'll see. We'll see. I got another one of these. I have to figure out which one is for which because Raphael really loves cats. So I got another one of these Wonder Balls. Okay, at Dollar General, I got little carrots for their bunny. I got a solid milk bunny, milk chocolate bunny. Some more little carrots that are going to go in each one of their boxes. And these are robin's eggs, and I was hoping that my mother would have the plastic eggs that she used last year, but I don't think we're going to do that either, so I'm probably going to just split this up and put them in each one of their bags and just forget about the eggs. So I'm going to put all of their stuff together now. This might be a cat, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in Raphael's, because he really does love cats. Oh no, this is too big. I'm gonna have to set it up there. Set it on the side. I just wanted to have them a little basket because when I bought this stuff, I thought that we were going to be going to events and things. It was not anywhere near a lockdown situation. So I didn't go ham and buy everything that I wanted to get them, but this is going to be cute for them. Lots of eggs, lots of bunny situation going on there. Cute. I did order some sugar-free chocolate, so I can eat some chocolate when they eat some chocolate. And it's getting delivered from Walmart, so I mean, you can do that. Uh-oh, this one's smushed. I'll take this one out and they can split it. Should take the price tags off of everything, but when we were in Israel, we just got so used to everything having a price tag, and we just didn't really ever take the price tags off because of it. Like literally everything had a price tag. It wasn't a big deal. Okay. I've got some chocolate carrots for the Easter egg. Lots of candy. I thought maybe this wouldn't have enough candy, but it does. This is plenty. Plenty of candy. And they have, I should like wrap this up in plastic, but I don't have any plastic to wrap and let them open, so. A little more. It's hard to judge how much paper to use too, because it sinks down in there. All right. Okay. Save this candy for later. I think that looks pretty good. All right, and our toy. Well, no, I'll just set it like that. His toy. This can go in here, but his toy is going to be a little harder. Okay, that one's cute. Don't know how I'm going to make this one cute. Maybe I can tape it to the back. I don't know. He's gonna be super excited to get this though. I do know that. Yeah, what I can do is tape it together here. so that when he opens this box, he's gonna have all kinds of bunnies and toys and carrots. It's a cute little basket, and it's full of nice little toys for them. And I'll let them eat some chocolate now since this one's all mushed. That's the price you have to pay sometimes when you can't see what's in the bag. All right, so this is what I got my kids for Easter, and we will probably do about 3 or 4 crafts with them until Easter time, and then we will go hunt for eggs, regardless of if they are real eggs or maybe plastic eggs or homemade DIY like salt flour eggs and baked in the oven. We are going to hunt for eggs this year. We'll see what we come up with. So thank you for watching, and happy Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.